Custom HexSizer stocking stuffers packed by an elf, so bolters aren't guessing who has a wrench on the shelf. If targets on timelines at turnarounds are missed, the person in charge of bolting will be upset. Custom HexSizers are made with a company's brand. The company has wrenches and sockets on hand. So if planners and timelines are getting it right, the correct size for torquing is already on site. And with all of our planning, we hate the surprise. Back to the shop to get the right size. HexSizer stocking stuffers, never a flop. And there's no need to make the trip back to the shop.